Hi, Liaisons. This is Danae Coates here. Just wanted to go over really quickly how you can download your accepted students and your waitlist students to a very nice Excel document. So I'm going to use Cindy here as an example. Thanks, Cindy. We're going to log into her account, so we're just on the login page. Just please disregard any students' names here. So what you're going to do, you're going to go to Filters up here, and for Selector Criteria, we're going to do Status, and then you're going to click Accepted, or you could actually click on Waitlist, but we're going to do Accepted. Click on Add Filter, and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom and click Export Table to Excel, and that'll give you a really nice Excel sheet of all of your accepted students from their first choice program. Then if you can click on Reset and All, we'll clear this one out. The next filter I want to show you is go back to Filters, select a criteria, click on Status, choice number 2, and then again here we'll click Accepted. These are the students that were accepted into their second choice, so we want to make sure you can see those as well. And again, export table to Excel. So both of these exports will really help you when you farm these out to your counseling teams and if you want to work in those. Okay, thanks.